The Mit Chit House is an expansion of a house located to the right of the property. Designed and built to provide both additional accommodation and a larger common area for the needs of a growing family, the new expansion spans 350 square meters of the 420 square meters property. Designed by Luklan architects who were inspired by the proximity to the old house, which inspired the name Mit Chit, which in Thai means close friendship. Thus, it is close to the existing house and also strengthens family ties. Designed to prioritize safety and surrounded by thriving orchards, the house incorporates nature into its interior through 4 miniature courtyards. Measuring 3 by 3 meters and 3 by 5 meters, the 4 private courtyards create a sense of escapism, each containing mature trees that extend beyond the roofline of the house. Reaching inward and upward, the courtyards lend a feeling of expansiveness to this introspective family home. The house is situated along the left side of the plot, leaving space to the right for a large garden that serves to connect the original and new buildings. The ground floor houses a large, open-plan common area comprising the living and dining room, arranged along a circulation axis, promoting continuity from the front of the house to its back. The vertical space between the ground floor living room is also completely open, seamlessly connecting with the office on the second floor. Open spaces, wide corridors, and numerous windows harness the natural source of light, inspiring feelings of freedom and closeness to nature. No matter where you are, a stunning view of the vegetation and the interior of the house keeps family members connected to the outside world and the interior. The walls are built around the concept of passive design to keep the interior cool while framing the views from within with discreet elegance. In addition to providing necessary insulation against the constant light that falls on the southern side of the property, the walls also complement the lush surrounding vegetation. Its interior seeks simplicity with spacious rooms and a refined minimalist material palette. The contrast in interior and exterior design choices means that every angle from which the house is viewed offers a unique and exciting perspective. The three levels of the house are stacked in an L-shaped volume oriented around a central axis.
Under the trees, I found a box of blackberries.
In keeping with the idea of unity, the office acts as an intersection between the old and new houses, allowing the parents of the family to easily reach the children through a bridge that connects the two houses. A space in its own right, the office also boasts great scenic views. The third floor is the most private area of the house and features the bedrooms of the two siblings, which benefit from views of the property's private gardens on both sides. Under the trees, under the trees, I found a box of blackberries. Although connected to the existing house, the Mit Chit turns inward to create a sense of privacy for the owners.